Bagamat maikli pa lang ang history ng Global Port dito sa ating PBA. 7th conference pa lang nila ito, pero pang-limang head coach na si Eric Gonzalez.
Medyo marami na yun at huling nag-coach ito prior to the stint of Eric Gonzalez. Alam natin na si Pido Harencia, but Pido was only 6 of 21 for a 28% winning percentage. Kaya bumalasa itong Global Port.
Ito, shot from outside Semerad as we turn you over to Riza Diaz.
Charlie, so far so good nga itong tinatakbo ng Global Port under Coach Eric. Ang sabi niya kasi, I'm just putting emphasis on what we have naturally, and that is youth. Bata, so ayaw niya nung tatamad-tamad at babagal-bagal dahil nga daw mga bata pa itong mga manlalaro niya, no reason para hingalin. Gusto rin nila i-capitalize yung speed. Incidentally, napag-alaman ko, ito si Coach Eric pala, back on his college days, was a star player for track and field ng UST, bagging a lot of gold medals, setting some really high records. Kaya ang gusto niya sa laro na to ay up-tempo at mabilis sila. Charlie.
Yun naman pala eh. Tumatakbo pala to si Coach, kaya gusto niya takbo din yung mga teammate players niya. Pero no excuses as far as hangin is concerned. Baka yung pwede excuse lang niya, baka si Yancy.
Tama yan,
diba?
dahil si Yancy. Meron talagang sariling pace itong si Yancy. Pero ang nakikita natin yung palitan ng mga players dito mabilis. Kaya fresh legs parate itong mga manlalaro. No reason for Global Port not to defend transition against Ginebra.
The kick over to Semerad mula sa kanan, and we know sweet shooting. Anthony Semerad hits a 3. The lead is up to 16. 4 minutes 32 natitira sa ating first half. Ginebra nangangapa sa opensa. Ellis goes to Billy Mama. Quick flip.
One of the few times that they were able to score of the 2-3 defense of Global Port. A very nice short corner jumper for Billy. But mas maraming ganun ang kailangan nitong Ginebra.
Ron J, threat from anywhere yan, kaya kailangan labanan. Ito si Billy Mamaril. Buena Fe, the fake, umander, pasok pa, minute, goes off the board.
Parang nanloloko lang yung tira ni Ron J. Buenafe na yun. You know, sometimes coaches would do something different on the defensive end. Nag-zone defense naman itong Ginebra, pero hindi pa rin nagbabago itong rhythm ng Global Port.
Ellis to Slaughter. There was a fumble, LA have to throw it up. He hits that shot on the run.
Nabanggit natin itong si L.A. Tenorio, more offensive-minded in today's big game. A total of 8 points for him already. He's only averaging a shade less than 6 points per game. At yun siguro yung kanyang adjustment na sinasabi.
Nagbitaw mula rito sa 3-point land si Terrence Romeo. Hindi pumasok.
Pero may tatlong tira.
Meron foul siya. 3 free throws for bagong gupit Terrence Romeo.
Pero kailangan medyo nakataas di ba? Nakatayo raw yung buhok niya.
Isang unang free throw partner ay ito. Ating Mang Juan Pinoy play of the half mula kay Stanley. 100% galing ng Pinoy mula sa Mang Juan, packed with sarap ng Pinoy. You were saying, Coach?
Itong free throw shooting ni Terrence Romeo actually is not bad. He's averaging 75% from the free throw line. Unfortunately, on those first 2 attempts out of the 3 that will be given to him, nagminti siya. So only 1 out of 3 on that trip for Terrence, which gives him a total of 7 points already here in this game.
And a 15-point lead para sa kanyang koponan. 3 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. Backcourt pressure. Hindi na maabutan ng 8 seconds yung Ginebra on that play before they cross the timeline. Kagiwa has hit 2 jumpers earlier. That's offline. Inside, Billy Mama. Hinawakan na lang ni Paulo Taha. An unnecessary reaction mula kay Billy Mamaril after that foul.
So where can they generate a little more excitement, a little more energy? Itong si Billy Mamaril showing a little emotion.
Napangiti na lang siya after. So si Billy Mama, who's this little guy hanging on to me?
He just got lucky there dahil airborne yung tira ni Mark Kagiwa na yon. That he was there at the right place and at the right time. Itong si Taha did not get inside position, kaya tinawagan na lang ng foul. So sayang naman at isa lang na-shoot ni Billy Mamaril sa free throw niya.
Last 3 minutes ng ating second quarter. Si Taha, yung medyas na yung may stripes pa. Minsan lang natin makita yung ganyang klaseng medyas eh. Parang old school. Buena Fest 3! Taas ng arco. Ang layo ng bato. He's full 2 steps behind that line. But Ronjay Buenafe, he's done that time and again in his career.
Oh, he's got that shot. And when they won against Talking Tex, take a look at the bench points. 20-point differential here. Another turnover for Ginebra.
Jewel Ponferrada, nag-point guard effect doon sa play na yon. To Buenafe, to Romeo. Back-to-back threes para sa Global Port. 20 na ang kanilang lamang with 2:25 remaining. 30-second timeout na patawag si Coach Jeff Carriazo.
They're just playing so loosely here in this ball game. Itong Global Port, they're making the stops on one side. They're just so comfortable taking wide open shots. Buenafe, he hit that shot earlier on. And with his skills as a passing two-guard, made that corner pass to Romeo. And Romeo with 10 points already. And don't look now, this is a big 20-point lead being enjoyed by Global Port. And it's now 31-8 on bench scoring.
And as we look at the huddle ng Barangay Ginebra a while ago, Eli Tenorio was not in the thick of it. Nakaupo siya sa bench. And you know, he seemed to be deep in thought bago siya tumayo, no? Pagkatapos nun. Nagbabalik ang nag-iisang interactive app-based game show. Moneyball, Dribble to the People. Hindi lang isa, hindi dalawang beses na Moneyball dito sa PBA. Mas malaki na chance yung manalo. Kaya makipindot na kayo mamayang halftime. As Kagiwa drive, semi-hook is short, rebound, Taha. Smallest guy para sa Global Port na kumuha ng rebound. Romeo. Basta natitira na rin kasi. Ibig nang kumagat si Mark Kagiwa on that play. Under 2 minutes remaining. Tipped out by JJ Helterbrand. Ito, minute and 55 remaining. 30-second timeout na naman ang tinawag dito to talk things over. If you're Coach Eric Gonzalez, you're gonna tell your guys, 2 minutes to go, kailangan maintain tayo. Sayang naman yung 20-point lead na ginawa na natin.
Tama yun. They're actually up by 20 points right now. They want to take care of the leather on the offensive end and make the stops on the other end. Pero hindi pwedeng mag-isip ka lamang kang 20. Dapat ang mentality mo rito 0-0 at tuloy ang pag-apat sa silinyador. Para naman dito sa Ginebra, alam mo problema nila rito, they are bothered by the 2-2-1 press. They're just so happy breaking that press, but they are not attacking. So ang nangyayari, nawawala yung kanilang atake against that 2-2-1 pressing defense employed by Global Port.
The Global Port naman, as you said earlier, napaka-confident. Suit sa smooth ang pagtakbo, lots of confidence. Flipping it over backwards. Ito si Buenafe. Kung kumapit pa rin sa board, baka nakapasok pa siya ng isa. But he overshot that one. Minute and 40 remaining. Joseph Yo looking for some offense. Barangay Ginebra. Here's Greg. With Yo. Outside shot. Rolls out. Rebound Greg. Ponferrada ties him up. And that's a loose ball foul on Jewel. It's dahil penalty itong Global Port. 2 shots for Greg Slaughter, who in this ball game only has 2 points to his credit.
Way back in the first quarter. So that is what Global Port is trying to stop. That inside presence of Greg. Hindi talaga makapag-bully his way inside. He's just getting a lot of offensive rebounds and trying to score on second chance opportunities. Hindi pumapasok yung 3 points ng Ginebra, kaya namumroblema sila dito sa laban natin ito.
2-2 para kay Greg Slaughter. Last season's Rookie of the Year dito sa ating PBA. Another tip away mula kay Helterbrand. Done that twice in a row. But the ball stays with the white shirts. 18 ang lamang nitong Global Port. Taha comes out to get it. Here's Romeo. Ang matchup niya, no? Yo versus Romeo. Romeo shifting around. Nakalusot na, akala niya. Pero isa laki ba naman ni Greg Slaughter? Nahabol pa rin.
Yun, medyo nagpapakita na ng gilas itong Ginebra sa kanilang interior defense.
Oh, huli pa
sa pool.
And Romeo unaware. But there were only a few seconds remaining left on that shot clock. Ponferrada was hollering for it sa kanto, hindi na ibigay.
Might be a step towards the right direction here for Ginebra. Matatag na yung kanilang depensa. Ang kanilang kailangan na lang gawin ay maatake itong zona ng Global.
Here's the pass out to Yo. They go to Billy Mamaril. On top of the keys, JJ Helterbrand let fly in and out ng beses na yan. Yung in and out mula sa tres.
It's not just falling in. They're getting the shots off, pero hindi pa consistent yung pagtama.
Let's slow down muna, sabi ni Ron J. Buenafe. And he suddenly makes his move. Kicks it out to Romeo. Hesitated on the three. Dribbling display, almost losing it. Nakahanap ng opening kinaliwa. He lost handle at the end. And ito na naman ang red shirts going the other way. Pero ang depensa ng Global Port was there immediately. Now let's see what Slaughter can do. The hook is too strong. And Yancy De Ocampo gets it up ahead to Romeo. Romeo losing control, regains it, and will set up for this last second shot for the quarter as Romeo releases mula sa kaliwa. After all of that, nawala na yung control sa kanya. Hits a 3-21-point lead. What's Yo gonna do? Second to go. The three is up and it's short. And Global Port, strong finishing kick in the last minute ng ating first half to bring the lead back up to 21. Terrence Romeo, sabi nga niya, na-depensahan sa last game. Ngayon, medyo nahihirapan ang depensa sa kanya, coach.
Maganda itong si Terrence Romeo, no? Wala nang mapuntahan, pero nakakuha pa ng paraan. 13 puntos na si Terrence in this game.
50.